This is James, Customer Service Manager at PeterMeierInc Incorporated. Today we're discussing the CONNY connector. The CONNY Tabletop connector features a sturdy, German-made zinc die-cast and steel construction. This innovative design provides a great way to secure any two surfaces tightly to each other. Attach one half of the connector to each side of the tabletop. A simple twist and the two halves are firmly locked together. That's the CONNY connector, part number 812-02-NY, only from PeterMeierInc Incorporated.